Hello everyone, my name is Angelica and welcome to my channel. Today I'm coming to you with 3 new DIY projects, and to create all of them I will be using cement. It's actually second video where I use cement as a main product. I will leave the link to the previous one up here and also down below. Working with cement can be a messy job, but it gives you results and look which are quite hard to achieve with anything else. So if you are looking for modern look with touch of industrial style, cement will give you all of this. So now, without any further ado, let's get right into the first project. For all projects, I will be using the same Portland cement powder. I might change the consistency or add additional ingredients to each project, but cement stays the same. I mix it outside in the bucket with water. I hope to do all 3 projects at the same time, that's why I'm making quite a big amount of it. For the first project, which is candle holder, I will only use cement mixed with water. I will also need 4 silicone muffin cases. You can of course only use one and do one shape at a time, but it will obviously take much more time. Using spoon, I start filling each silicone form. I use gloves as a cement is not the best for your skin and extra protection is always good. I fill it all the way up to the top and then start tapping it from the sides. This way cement spreads out evenly and also I get rid of the air bubbles. I put slightly too much, so I had to remove some of it. I want it to be same level as the form's edges, not covering them. With the stick, I burst the air bubbles which are on the top. Last form, I don't fill up all the way up to the top as I'm going to place tea light in it. And this will raise the level of cement. I place it in the middle and then place something heavy on top of it to press it down. I clean all the edges from any excess cement and leave them to fully dry. The time will depend on the consistency of the mixture and maybe even on the brand you use. Once they are fully dry, you can remove the shapes out of the forms. As I'm going to glue them together, I need all the tops to be straight and even. I take sanding paper and with gentle circular moves I sand it down. You can use any type of glue. I'm going with super glue, which works quite well and quick. I glue it the way so all the dents create one continuous line. If you want, you can paint it. I've left it in the raw state so you can see that it's made out of cement and give it the stone look effect. To create my second project, I add some sand to the mixture of cement and water. I stir it well to quite runny consistency. Remember, always wear a mask when mixing the cement. For this project, you can easily use some old towels. Size of the final vase will depend on the size of the towel you are going to use. I fold it twice and then cut rounded shape from one corner to another. Take some tall items you don't mind throwing away later on and create tower. It has to be tall enough so the towel doesn't touch the bottom. I place the cloth inside the bucket and cover it all with the mixture. Make sure it's all dirty and you can't see the color of your towel. Find the middle and move the cloth onto the tower. Change the shapes of the folds to your preferences. You can also add some more of the cement around the cloth. It will make it a bit stronger and give it smoother finish. And in this position I leave it till fully dry. If you want, you can remove all the parts of your tower, or if, like me, you have used plastic containers, you can leave one of them at the bottom and then be actually able to place some fresh flowers inside this vase. For modern look, I painted it whole white. As I'm going to use my next project in the bathroom, I want to make it sort of waterproof. For that reason, to my cement and water mixture, I'm adding some PVA glue and I stir it well. To create the tray shape, I will be using silicone mold. I've bought this one on Amazon. I will leave the link to it down below. Because my cement dries to quite dark grey color and I would like to achieve more of the marble effect, I've tried out some new technique. It won't turn out the way I wanted, but I will leave that for later. So my idea was to spread the white acrylic paint on the bottom of my mold, which later on will actually create the inside of my dish. As adding white paint to the cement wouldn't change its color too much, I've tried to do it this way. Then I pour some of the cement inside and mix it slightly with the white paint. I believe this would be much easier to achieve when the cement is actually white and you add black paint, or maybe using special dye would change the final result. I fill the whole silicone mold all the way up to the top. Drop it slightly and tap from the sides to remove air bubbles. Once it's dried, I start removing it from the mold and then I've noticed that this wasn't a good technique. Most of the paint stayed on the silicone, leaving small gaps and holes in my tray. I thought it is what it is and I start even liking this look. Because it's not perfect, it looks almost like a real stone. Before I can use it in my bathroom, I give it a coat of PVA glue. I put extra amount of it between the gaps. This step you can apply to all of the projects as cements can be quite rough and scratch the surface. I take a glue stick and cut few same thickness slices. And then attach them to the bottom of each project with super glue. Let me know in the comment section which project was your favorite and if you like the look which cement creates. Also, don't forget to check out the part 1 of DIY cement decor, which I've linked down below. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe for more ideas. We are so close to reach 30,000 subscribers, so if you want to join and support me and this channel, please just click the subscribe button. And for now, thank you so much for watching, your support, and I'll see you in my next video.